Okay, hi. So welcome to this, I don't know, this video. Today I will be attempting to fix my lovely hair situation going on, and I thought, might as well film it and put it on the internet. So, because I had bleached my hair recently, it ended up like this. It's wet right now, but hopefully we can get it looking a little bit better. So basically what I'm gonna do is mix some shampoo with some bleach and do a bleach wash? I don't know. And we'll just see how that goes. I've never done a bleach wash before, but I have bleached my hair a few times, usually the regular way, but I'm gonna just fucking wing it by myself. So let's do it. Today I'm using the rest of my bleach. It's the ion powder stuff. I use like all of this pretty much in different times, but this is all that I have left, which is why I'm gonna try and do a bleach bath instead of just regular bleaching, which I would normally do in this situation. You know, whatever. And I looked it up and stuff, and it recommended that I use 10 volume developer, but all I have is 30 and 20, so I'm just gonna use 20 and hopefully it turns out well. For the shampoo, all I have is this herbal essence. I don't usually use it because I also bought a purple shampoo that also doesn't work, so you know, what can you do? What can you do? I really want to cancel out a lot of just sort of things that I missed because, you know, it's a lot of hair and I tried my best. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so here's my mixture. It looks like this. Let me see if I can. Looks like this. Kind of in the middle of a paste and a whipped liquid. My hair already dried, so I'm gonna have to re-wet it. That was weird. Alright, now that my hair is mostly wet, I think we can finally get started. I got my awkward bleach gloves on, and I kind of clipped my hair back a little bit just to give myself a little bit of working space on the top. I'm gonna start on the top because normally I would start in the back, but I started in the back last time, so the back is already pretty light. Last time I bleached my hair, by the end of it, I only left it on for maybe like 25 minutes because I didn't want the back to be way too bright for the front. We do things and we learn from it. Okay, my head is coated in this stuff. I'm not sure how this mixture will work. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to, and we come up with a nice result. I tried my best to get everything lathered. I'm gonna kind of try and comb it through just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put a bag on it. I'm gonna bag it up. Alright, here I go with the bag. Hello, I am your new lunch lady. So now that everything's pretty much covered and I got my bag on, I'm going to let it set for as long as it takes, maybe like 30 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it though, just to be sure. If it ends up being longer, I'll wait longer. I'm just pretty much gonna wait until I see the results that I want. You know what I mean? I will reveal what it looks like before I wash it out, and then after I wash it out, I will style it and come back and we'll look at the finished result together. Alright, so it's been about, I'd say like 35, maybe 40 minutes. And I've left it on there for quite some time. I know it looks kind of scary right now. It's very like whitish, pale blonde. Hopefully that's what it stays like when I rinse it out. But I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's wet, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry, just so you can kind of differentiate, because it's not always going to look the same when it's wet. It's always going to look darker. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is my hair now. It's still really wet, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of the tone it is when it's wet. It's pretty, it's still got like that like hint of yellow in there, but it's not as yellow as you saw in the beginning. So I think it did all right, but I'm gonna dry it and see what it looks like when it's dry. Alright, so this is the finished result. And for what it's worth, I think it looks pretty good. Pretty even now. I don't know. I definitely am gonna go buy a toner, and I'm planning on cutting my hair. I might film that also, just because, you know, follow up and stuff. Don't want to just leave you guys hanging, because I definitely need a haircut, and toner for sure needs to happen. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole entire process. I know it was pretty fun to do all by myself. I didn't really think I could, but I did. So heck yeah. Make sure to like this video if you did, and leave a comment down below letting me know what else you want me to do. I probably won't put any crazy color in anytime soon. I really like the platinum, so probably gonna keep it like this for a while. But if you want to see other stuff, I can do that too. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.